We're entering Old Car City, USA. Here's the porch. There's the A model. Here it is. Here's some paintings, plaques of old cars. Here's Old Car City's authentic office. Dino's desk. Here's the painting area. Here's the new car junkyard being built. Here's one of the subliminal paintings. Now I go on back. There stands old Monkey Ranch. Here are the steps going up to the art gallery, our doodling gallery. Here's Tracy's setup. Rest a spell. Let's go over here and see what old Monkey Ranch is doing. Here's old Monkey Ranch. What's going on?
Y'all come see us here at Old Car City, USA, Whites, Georgia.
Well, here's where you register, and then you enter through this push. Hey there. Here's a new office being built, except we won't do away with the old authentic one. Here's Elvis's car. Last car he purchased.